How to play sound and music in the Roblox voice chat through the mic. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want the step-by-step process for setting up the sound through your mic on Roblox voice chat, follow the steps. First of all, navigate to your computer's sound settings. To do so, open control panel on your device. Once that is done, go to the sound setting. Once you open the sound settings, you can see this different page. Now, from the top, go to the Recordings tab, then select Cable Output or another virtual audio device which is available in your device. Then, after, you will have to right click on it and go to the Properties. Once you reach on Properties, go to the Listen tab, which is the second tab, and select Default Playback from the drop down. Once you select the default playback, next step would be configuring the Roblox audio settings. You just have to go to the Roblox settings, set the audio output to headphones or speakers, and ensure that the audio input is set to virtual output. Now you can play your desired music through a media player, and the sound will be now transmitted through the Roblox voice chat as your microphone input. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.